We move to fight climate crisis. We move in a changing world. We are the generation that moves the most, and yet 80% of the population doesn't have access to personal transportation. Our collective challenge is to move more than double the people with half the emissions. To do that, the future has to be electric, but not only on four wheels. Some cities are already working to reduce car use, which shouldn't necessarily affect their citizens, as 60% of their journeys are shorter than 5 miles. At Unlimited, we believe that the mobility problems of our era lead to the same solution: electric personal mobility.
From Barcelona, the city of smart mobility, we have come to revolutionize how you move. We are innovators in electric transport.
In 2016, we started with e-bikes and e-skateboards. Lightweight, compact, and efficient systems that have enabled thousands of people in over 43 countries to use simpler and cleaner methods for getting around.
Unlimited uses the most rigorous calculations to bring you pure, clean fun.
Since 2016, our customers have traveled more than 6 million miles, saving 4,000 tons of CO2 emissions, equivalent to each Unlimited customer planting 85 trees per year. Now we want to take our technology further. We present the Unlimited Electric Platform. Centered around a universal power pack, we're building a vehicle ecosystem and giving mobility designers unlimited possibilities. A design that enables upcycling and several other after-vehicle applications, considerably reducing the impact on the environment. But it's more than just batteries and motors, it's an operating system for light personal vehicles. A platform connecting the entire micromobility ecosystem. It goes beyond our vehicles and allows anyone to create all kinds of connected accessories, apps, and services. Do you want to change the world? We do. We believe in fun and sustainable cities, without traffic jams, parking problems, engine noise, or pollution. Help us stop the climate crisis. Help us impact the future of electric mobility. A sustainable, clean, and efficient future. A future of unlimited possibilities.